This is Courtney Lovett, showing the larynx model project. Let's get right into it. This is the trachea, and I did try to make these the best, anatomically correct, but we are missing some bigger structures, like the thyroid itself, and so it kind of misplaced some of the nerves and the arteries. But okay, we'll get right into it. These black pieces are the left and right recurrent laryngeal nerve. This gray paperclip is the superior laryngeal nerve. Comes in right in the thyroid membrane, thyrohyroid membrane. It comes down, and I do have my paperclip going down. I will show you that later. This is the superior thyroid artery. This is the inferior thyroid artery. This is the inferior laryngeal vein. This is the superior laryngeal vein. Okay, that's the veins and the nerves. Now we'll start working on some of the bones, the cartilages, and the muscles. This is the trachea. This is the thyroid cartilage. This is the thyrohyroid membrane. This is the hyoid bone. This is the cricoid cartilage. This is the let me make sure I'm saying that correct. Cricoid thyroid membrane and the ligament I drew on there. I'll show you to the back. I kind of hid my epiglottis in there. Just move that over for a second. This is my epiglottis, and it does move up and down. This is the RE epiglottic folds. I tried to make it closer to that, but it's the best I could do. This crisscrossed muscle is the oblique arytenoid muscle. The yellow muscle behind it is the transverse arytenoids muscle. These muscles down here are the posterior cricoid arytenoid muscle. Okay, and then the blue muscles on the side, which I will now start peeling back labels or layers. This is the lateral cricoid arytenoid muscle. The pars oblique muscle is on both sides and it runs sideways. The pars recta runs upward. And then again, this is all coming from the cricoid cartilage, which I just drew in a light color right here. And then at the top again, the RE epiglottic fold. There's some muscles there. Looking on the inside again, and then here's the nerve. I'm going to peel back this layer. You can see the nerve. Nerve comes in there. This is the epiglottis. This is the thyroid membrane that it comes in through. This is the cricoid cartilage that runs around. This also is the thyroid cartilage too at the bottom. These are the let me say this incorrectly. The corniculates are the top green pieces. And then in the bigger blue triangles, they are the arytenoids. Okay, the gray piece is the thyroid vocalis thyroid muscularis or the thyroid vocalis. I tried to make it sit a little bit more on top. Right below it is the vocal ligament here in the purple, and it sits at the bottom of the arytenoids. These kind of move around a little bit. But there is those structures. Let's review this one more time. This is the hyoid bone. This is the thyroid membrane. And this is the thyroid cartilage, the cricothyroid membrane and ligament, and then the cricoid cartilage. Um, Pretty sure I hit all the pieces, so I hope you enjoyed my model.